Data frame concatenation combines multiple data frames, stacking them either row-wise or column-wise. This is vital for integrating data from various sources, like consolidating monthly reports, or adding new features as columns to an existing dataset. The primary pandas method is pd concat. You provide a list of data frames. By default, it stacks them vertically. Axis equals 0. Adding rows. For horizontal stacking. Adding columns. You specify axis equals 1.
While df append was an older option for rows, pd concat is now the recommended, more flexible choice. Note that pd merge is a different operation, used for combining based on shared key columns. In Python, you simply write pd concat df1 df2 for rows, or pd concat df1 df2 axis equals 1 for columns, quickly creating a unified data frame for analysis.
Data frame concatenation is the process of combining two or more data frames along a particular axis. This operation is crucial in data pre-processing and integration, especially when dealing with data sourced from multiple files, sensors, or time periods. It's important because it allows for building larger, more comprehensive datasets from smaller, related pieces, which is often a prerequisite for robust data analysis and machine learning tasks.
The first method demonstrated is asterisk row-wise concatenation, performed using pd concat df1 df2 axis equals 0. This technique is used when you want to stack data frames vertically, effectively appending new records or observations. In the example, df_jan_sales and df_feb_sales represent monthly sales data with identical column structures. Combining them row-wise integrates all sales records into a single data frame. Combined_monthly_sales, which is useful for analyzing cumulative sales over time or preparing data for a quarterly report. The ignore_index equals true argument resets the index of the resulting data frame, providing a clean, continuous index.
The second method is *** column-wise concatenation, executed with pd concat df1 df2 axis equals 1. This approach merges data frames horizontally, adding new columns, features, to existing records. Here, def_customer_demographics provides names and ages, while def_customer_contact offers email and phone numbers for the same customers. By setting customer ID as the index for both data frames and then concatenating along axis equals 1, the information is correctly aligned and combined into combined_customer_profiles. This method is vital for enriching datasets, such as adding demographic details to transaction logs or incorporating new features from different data sources for the same entities.